Hi, welcome back. As a recap, you'll recall we've just gone through the theory of what a conversion funnel is and how to visualize funnels to increase conversions on your site. And we also talked about what a smart hypothesis is and how you can set one up to conduct powerful A/B tests on your site. Now, today, in this session, we're going to talk about ways we can widen the funnel by using data to form smart hypotheses, which can then be validated or rejected through A/B testing. So as a data-driven marketer, your goal really is to figure out what and where the obstacles are in your funnel that are preventing users from seamlessly moving through the funnel and converting. And with this knowledge, you can then work towards removing or at least reducing the obstacles in the funnel. And with fewer barriers or roadblocks getting in the way, the more easily visitors are going to be able to move through each stage of your site, ultimately resulting in increased conversions for you. So when you decrease the friction or the stumbling blocks throughout your funnel, you're effectively plugging the leaks where users would normally abandon your site and go out of the funnel. And as a result, more visitors flow through and all the way down and out your funnel, converting. So in essence, the work that you're doing is widening the funnel so more people get through it and conversions increase. Now, this all sounds great in theory, but you may be wondering, Deborah, how do I actually do this? And the great news is that you can use the data to help guide you. So one of the best places to start is with any available analytics data you have. And most sites, yours probably included, has Google Analytics set up and tracking. So for today, we're going to go into the Google Merch Store account and actually mine the data for an example for how to increase the conversion funnel. And if Google's smart, maybe they'll listen to this and actually take our suggestions. So here we are in the Google Merch account. And once logged in, you're going to see a bunch of charts and numbers and data like this. And you might be going, oh, this looks so daunting. Don't worry, it's going to be okay. I'm going to guide you through how to make sense of all the data and optimize your conversion funnel so you can find the leaks in it. So one of the best places to start with analyzing issues with your conversion funnel is to look for bottlenecks or data points that really buck the trend and stand out from the average. And we're going to explore that in more depth in just a second here. But from there, once you've identified the data points, what you need to do is make informed hypotheses on what you can do to remedy the issues. And then you want to test those hypotheses to increase conversions. Now, one interesting funnel metric that I find is really valuable to look at is engagement. So engagement is just as it sounds. It indicates how interested a visitor is or how much attention users are paying on your site. And you'll see when you go into Google Analytics, you can look at engagement by all sorts of metrics like traffic type or web page or even country. But I find it particularly valuable to look at engagement time by page, because then you can see exactly where in your funnel or what pages people are spending a lot of time on or not spending much time on at all. And that's really valuable to know because in general, the more engaged your users are, the more likely they are to convert. So using engagement data is just one example of how you can use the data to spot friction points in your conversion funnel. As we continue through the course, we're going to be deep diving into many more tangible examples like this. But for now, the really important takeaway for you is this. You can use data points to pinpoint the exact problematic areas in your funnel. And then with these data points at hand, you can then go and inspect the page, form hypotheses about what the issues are, and test changes to optimize to widen your funnel and ultimately increase conversions. So I hope this session has been helpful for you. And we'll see you in the next session where we're going to be talking about using conversion rate data to identify friction points in your funnel. We'll see you soon. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Thanks so much. Bye.